Nigerians. I will say hope no go there again. Oh. The thing will make me now, I will start to lose hope. As it be now, if we expect light for this country, I will say, make we cancel one more. You read the news, State House, that is the house where president, we are in office day and we are in own house day. Said they don't allocate the sum of 10 billion naira in the 2025 approved budget for the installation of solar mini grid for the presidential villa. 10 billion, and they don't allocate to put to solar, meaning say no hope for electricity. And NEPA no go give lights, then they bring bill and then still they cut the wire. All right, with this development now, so you take here so then do the breakdown. So you think say we get hope say we go ever get electricity. This time say not be stable electricity for Nigeria. If the highest hem of affair, they go for solar. And this same place, then get generator, then they budget for diesel, then they budget for petrol. You understand? Then get meter electric own. Now, then they follow us. When you know they see like they go hustle for solar. So you think say
we no go fit buy solar again.
We get hope. So we go get electricity
Jesus.
For this country. If a whole presidential villa, they go for solar. Meaning say then if they get electricity failure with that. I when I choke mouth, we get hope, say light go there. And now light be the major source of businesses for this country. Nigeria. Everybody need light. Welder, tailor, furniture man, electrician, radio repairer, barman, frozen fish seller, turkey seller. Every business is where you do, you need electricity. The major thing. But you see that major thing, nobody fit proud saying get them. Upon say things cost, you go still run petrol, run diesel, run solar to fit get your things right on your own. The same NEPA when they give you light, go still bring bill for light when no day. Then go still cut wire, say then they do this connection. I beg. We get hope of having electricity for this country. Not be fighting, not be quarrel. I beg, make we put him out for this matter.
The issue is that our leaders they don't give appointment to right people. It's wrong people they are giving appointment to. Now somebody that he went to university at agriculture, you now carry the person. You now carry the person as a minister of electricity. What you know that they are doing there, he doesn't know anything. You will carry lawyer, go put there. You will carry somebody that is doing business. You will give a minister of road, of engineering. What you want to do there? All these problems, if they cannot stop this problem and bring the right person, the person that you go for the engineer, put it for engineer. The people that you know about of electricity, put it as a minister of electricity. All of them, they are just using by all means to shop money, to do whatever they want. If they are scanner, if they don't change it like that, we cannot enjoy them.
All right, so
that is the problem.
All right, now the problem starts from you and me, because when it comes to voting, everybody go introduce tribalism. Say this person is my brother, this person is my brother. So until you stop to vote, say this one is your brother, even if you know, say you know they're competent. Now we go. Now from there we go begin get a right to. But if you not vote on merit, this suffer now the introduction everybody they see.
Yes, Even see some I think that some years ago when this man want to appoint somebody as a NEPA, he go carry lawyer as a minister of in life in house. And what the lawyer know that they are doing there, he doesn't know anything. He doesn't know the line. We have to stop all these kind of things. When people, if they want vote for my brother, if he want to go for the electricity, he know the way. I will not vote for him.
When I had the rules yesterday, I still only me here. I couldn't imagine. I said for them to do that kind of a thing for Aso Rock. Yeah. I said there's no hope. Like just say. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, day before yesterday, I was coming back from to Ireland. Yeah, I passed through Marina, Germany, heading to when you're coming out from Germany, before you make the diversion by the right, you'll be looking at a government house. We have this one. They say. You know that all the way from that German traffic light down to that government house, there's no street light there. I just tell you, this is how.
Wait, now street light they talk. People never even see light. You they talk of street light. Don't be best way see light inside house. Go talk of street light in Malago. If you like say you don't drink too much, you never see electricity to iron your cloth to boil water. Now street light for outside. You they even talk.
No, okay, especially you don't understand what I
say like from where what you concern you if they no put street light, then get their reason. If it be for security purpose, that one no concern you. Fight for your own self, make you get like they talk of for government house, street light. What you concern? You know why they no put them?
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.